Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is hashtag studies. Today we are going to study with chapter number 15, which is light, and this is for class 7th. Let us begin. So what is a light? You might have seen a beam of sunlight when it enters a room through a narrow opening or a hole. You may have seen beams of a light from the headlamps of scooters, cars and engines of the train. Okay, so you can see here rail engine, which is the engine of a train, and from here the headlamp. So this is what? This is a light. Okay, here you can see in a lighthouse, this is also light. Okay, so next, Boju recalls an activity he performed in class 6. In the activity, he looked at a light candle first through a straight pipe and then through a bent pipe. Why was Bhoju not able to see the candle flame through a bent pipe? Let us give the answer. So in this they are asking why this boy can't see the flame of the candle with the help of bent pipe, because the path here, the path, or you can say the way from where he was seeing, that was bent or that was blocked. Okay, that's why he can't see. And in the first picture, which is a straight pipe, so he can see directly. So this clears what? It says that yes, light travels along a straight line. Okay, so next is reflection of light. What is reflection of light? One way to change the direction of light is to let fall on a shiny surface. When the light changes its direction after going on a shiny surface, when it changes the direction, it means it is reflection of light. For example, a shiny stainless steel plate or a shiny steel spoon can change the direction of light. The surface of the water can also act as a mirror and then change the path of light. When the path of light is changed, the direction is changed by the shiny object, that is reflection. Okay, so you can see here reflection of objects in the water. So this can be a question, that is water also a shiny object, or can the reflection of light be held in water? So the answer will be yes. Any polished or shiny surface can act as a mirror. Okay, what happens when a light falls on the mirror? That a when the mirror changes the direction of the light and it falls on it, this is known as reflection of light. Okay, so here a small activity is given to you. If you want to perform, you can. So let's go next. Look into the mirror along the direction of the reflected light. So these are the all questions asked. You can give the answer after performing the activity. Okay, next is place a lighted candle in front of a plain mirror. Try to see the flame of a candle in the mirror. It appears as if a similar candle is placed behind it. So the image that is formed behind the mirror, that is image. Okay, which appears behind the mirror is image, okay, of the candle formed by the mirror, and the candle, the object, is okay. So the candle is the object, image of a candle in a plain mirror. So here you can notice one more thing, that what is a characteristic of plain mirror? The characteristic of plain mirror is that the in the plain mirror, the same size, same color, same distance will be formed as a object. Object is a thing that you place in front of a mirror. Let us begin. Was the image upright in each case? Did the flame appear on the top of the candle as in the object? Such an image is known as erect. Okay. An image formed by a plane mirror is erect and of the same size as the object. So, when the object is similar, when the image is similar as object, and so that is known as erect. That image is known as erect. Now place a vertical screen behind the mirror. Try to obtain the image of the candle on the screen. Can you get the image on the screen? Now place the screen in front of mirror. Can you get the image on the screen now? you will find that the image of the candle cannot be obtained on the screen in either case. What about the distance of the image from mirror? Let us perform another activity. So here another activity is performed where a chessboard is taken. Okay. Or they are saying if the chessboard is not available at your home, you can take a chart paper and the size is written that 8 into 8 squares of equal size you need to take. Draw a thick line of a middle of the paper. Fix a plain mirror vertically on the line. Then you need to keep the sharpener. Okay. Place any small object such as a pencil sharpener at the boundary of the third square counting from the mirror. Note the position of the image. Now shift the object to the boundary of the fourth square. Again, note the position. Did you find any relation between distance of the image or the mirror and that of object in front of it? Okay, so you can see here one more activity is performed and we can see that what is the result. Okay, you will find that the image is at the same distance behind the mirror as the object is in front of it. Now verify this by placing the object anywhere on the chart paper. Okay, next, left or right. When you see your image in a plain mirror, it is exactly like you. Have you ever noticed that there is one interesting difference between you and your image in the mirror? Let us find it. Now what you need to do is you need to stand in front of a mirror and you need to raise your left hand. Which hand does your image raise? Right hand. Okay, now touch your right ear. Which ear does your hand touch in the image? So opposite. Observe carefully. You will find that the mirror, the right appears left and the left appears right. Note the only sides are interchanged. The image does not appear upside down. Okay, so the image is not appearing upside down. Only the right and left is changing. Okay, next they are saying, you can see here ambulance. So here it's written like opposite. Okay, first it is written E, C, N. So this is what they are saying, they are explaining in the activity. Can you now understand why the word ambulance is written as in figure this? Can you understand? When the driver of the vehicle ahead of the ambulance look in his or her rear view mirror, she or he can read ambulance. Okay, and so this is the reason why it is written like this. When the other people will see in the rear mirror, so they can read ambulance properly written. Okay, it is the duty of every one of us to allow an ambulance to pass without blocking its way. That's correct. We need to give the way of to the ambulance. You might have observed that in the side mirror of a scooter or a car, the images of the objects appear smaller than the objects themselves. Have you ever wondered why is it or so? So there are types of mirrors. Okay, because of types of mirror, the picture, the image is formed too small as in the real. Okay, comparing to real. Playing with spherical mirrors. Here, now Paheli and Boju were waiting for their dinner. Boju lifted a stainless steel plate and saw his image in it. Oh, this plate acts as a plain mirror. My image is erect and it's of the same size. Paheli saw her image using the back of the steel spoon. Boju, look here. I can also see my erect image through it is smaller in the size. So what is the difference formed? You can see here image from the inner side of a spoon. Okay, inner side. The opposite image is formed. But here you can see the image from the outer side. The real image is formed. So the curved shining surface of a spoon acts as a mirror. The most common example of a curved mirror is a spherical mirror. Okay, if the reflecting surface of a circle mirror is concave, it is called a concave mirror. If the reflecting surface is convex, then it is known as convex mirror. As you can see here, convex and concave. So friends, there are many activities you can perform it. It will be too interesting. So this much only for this video. This is part 1 for this chapter. Next topics we are going to finish in next part. Thank you.